Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious crab curry. First, gather your fresh crab, coconut milk, and a selection of aromatic spices. You'll also need to prepare your onions, tomatoes, and a fresh ginger garlic paste. Having all your ingredients measured and ready before you start cooking will make the process smooth and enjoyable. This ensures a flavorful and authentic dish. Next, meticulously clean and cut your crab into pieces that are easy to handle. In a pan, heat some oil and sauté the finely chopped onions until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This forms the foundational flavor for your curry. Then, add the freshly prepared ginger garlic paste and cook it gently until its wonderful aroma fills your kitchen, about 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the chopped tomatoes and your chosen powdered spices to the pan, cooking until the oil separates. Introduce the cleaned crab pieces, mixing them thoroughly with the rich masala base. Finally, pour in the creamy coconut milk, bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until the crab is perfectly cooked through, absorbing all the flavors. To finish, taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, adding a bright squeeze of fresh lime juice for a zesty kick. Garnish your exquisite crab curry generously with freshly chopped coriander leaves, which add a lovely freshness and aroma. Serve this delightful, hot crab curry with steamed rice, fluffy appams, or your favorite bread for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.